Welcome to this Windows in Computer channel. And of course, one of the things that we are looking at is now that we are in the last stretch of Redstone 5, which is the October 2018 update. We are also looking at what will be the new features. And one of the things that's interesting about it is that it will be one of the Windows releases that has probably the least amount of new features. And you know what? It's actually a good thing. A lot of people are saying, yeah, well, you know, why isn't there more stuff, and why isn't sets in here? And you know, you got to remember one thing. We, the people that are enthusiasts, go crazy over these new features, and we want to see new stuff, and we want to see what's happening everywhere. But honestly, people don't look at these things, and the fact that for this release they are looking much more into the stability of Windows and making it just work rather than just pushing tons of new stuff that people don't use is a very good news, honestly, because I would guess that with what's happening right now, this is going to be probably one of the best and most stable release of Windows that's going to happen. And we need that. We need that after what happened with the April 2018 update that, you know, even though it rolled really fast, it had some glitches, and people, and some people are still having issues with that new version. So we need something that will be stable, and I think Microsoft understands that this next release needs to be perfect. It needs to run well, it needs to really be a good build so that they can still, you know, push on us and tell us that, yeah, 2 updates a year is perfect. They can't mess up 2 versions in a row. That would be probably disastrous, and I think would possibly end the 2 updates a week. You know, we had today a group of IT admins in a survey that says, you know what, please stop pushing these updates as fast as you do it right now. It's totally crazy. And yeah, you know, they're kind of right, and business is always behind in updates, so you know, it's like it's something that drives them a little crazy, honestly. But you know, we it's getting there, and you know, there's a few things that they understand. One of them is in the Windows updates, where they finally understood that when you go to Windows updates, when something wants to update the machine, yeah, it's not a bad idea for your PC to look at the activity to see if maybe it's not time to push an update. I think that's really good, and that's another example after years and years and years of, you know, telling them, come on. It's always like that. It's always the update goes through in the middle of whatever, and I'm playing a game, I see that all the time, and then the update came, or I was working on a document and it said, hey, okay, let's restart. Yeah, you can't do that like that. And I think that is one of the things that makes us see that they've kind of changed a little bit what and how things need to be done, and listen maybe a little more to everybody. So you know, this, what you see here is 17735. It's, you know, one of the builds. It's pretty much feature complete. It's what we're getting this fall, and I don't know, I have pretty good hopes that it should work and work well, honestly. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.